How poor are we? One day, a rich dad took his son on a trip. Wanted to show him how poor someone can be. They spent time on the farm of a poor family. On the way home, Dad asked, "Did you see how poor they are? What did you learn?" Son said, "We have one dog, they have four, we have pool, they have rivers, we have lanterns at night, they have stars, we buy foods, they grow theirs, we have walls to protect us, they have friends, we have encyclopedias, they have Bible." Then they headed. Thanks Dad for showing me how poor we are. Moral lesson: it's not about money that make us rich, it's about simplicity of having God in our lives.